Today we're cleaning out my closet because it's a really big mess in there, and I also really want to let go of some items because I don't really wear it that much, and I think I'm gonna sell them. Most probably I will get around to selling them. It's just the process of having to take photos, and that will take a while, you know? So if there's any item that I'm letting go that catches your eye, be sure to follow my socials because I will be posting like where I'm gonna sell the items on. May it be Instagram or carousel, not sure yet, so that's how you will know. Alright, my way of thinking of whether or not I should keep an item is that number one, it should be comfy, and number two, it should make me feel confident wearing it, and lastly, I think clothing should be worn. So if there's an item there that I haven't worn in the past 6 months, I'm gonna chuck it away because I just want every article of clothing that I have to feel like it has purpose. I know it kind of sounds really kooky, but I feel like if every single item in your life has purpose, then you will feel more purposeful. You should do something while watching this video, like clean up your closet as well, or do your homework with me because it's gonna be a long one. So yeah, I hope you guys can still hear me. I don't have the AC on, so if I'm gonna sweat and I'm gonna have like sweat, armpit sweat through my shirt, like don't judge, it's really hot. And hi, this is my closet. We're gonna start with this side, and it's the really messy side. I just tend to dump everything here. So should I zoom in? I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Let's just start from top to bottom. We won't really have a system going on. This thing, I actually have this dress. I wore this to a debut and it's such a cute dress, but it doesn't fit me anymore. I tried last night and it's still super cute, but it's kind of too short on me. I'm 5'5", so I'm gonna be selling this definitely. It's so freaking cute, like if you have an event or like a wedding to go to. I have a t-shirt dress that I haven't really worn, but it's super comfy, so I'm gonna keep it. Next, I have a pencil skirt. I don't know if I'm gonna go back to the corporate world, but when I did wear this to the office, it's super on me, so I'm not gonna keep it. Literally, when I bend, my butt peeks through because of the slit. So if you're shorter than me, I'm gonna chuck that away. This blue skirt, I wore this to my grad, and it's just way too short and way too small for me, so I'm not gonna wear it. I always wore this before when I could fit in it, but let's just put it that way. So yeah, in college I used to wear this a lot. I still think it's really cute, and the cool thing about it, it's in the corduroy material, so it has nice texture. This one too, this is a white skirt. I used to wear this a lot more when I didn't have my other white skirt, but since I already have a white skirt, I don't really wear this a lot. This skirt, I still like. These are actually gifts from my friend for my birthday, I think. But they're just too tight on me. They're literally an extra small. Yeah, I can't fit in them anymore. They're too short when I wear them. This one I still like. This one I just got. This is a shirt. This should not be here. Yeah, I have to reorganize my closet, y'all know. This is a yellow skirt. It's very cute, but it's way too short. I don't know, can you see how short that is? I know. I should stop. I'm like at this point in my life where I don't really want to wear short things anymore. I'm like getting rid of a lot of things. Okay, this shirt I haven't worn in a very long time. It's a very fluffy shirt. I really like it. It's from Oxygen. I really like it because of the texture, but I just don't wear it anymore. It really reminds me of Scream Queens, like being super extra and super fluffy. This is my mom's. I'm gonna return it to her. Well, this is the white skirt that I do wear. These shirts, I don't wear them much. They're the more like chiffon material girly shirts. Okay, this shirt I like. This is a gift for my friend and I haven't tried it out yet, so I will later. I think this shirt's pretty cute. I got this from Singapore, maybe, I don't know when was the last time I went to Singapore, maybe 4 years ago. I've worn it a couple of times, but it's not really my style. It's super girly, so it's really cute. I think it's really cute, but it's just not my style anymore, so bye. It's pastel. It's cute. This is the top that I wore for my grad. I don't even know how to show you guys this, but I haven't worn it. I've worn it probably once since then. I feel like it's just so dressy for me. I'm not really a very dressy person. Actually, I'm gonna keep it because it's yellow. Bad practice. This is a polo from Uniqlo. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. Also more polos. I love polos. This is my dad's. I'm gonna return it to him. I like this. It's from Japan. This one, I don't know. It's from SMU. I don't know, I'll keep it. This one, I'm not gonna keep anymore because look at it. It's so dungis looking. I don't like this at all. The shirt inside of it is my mom, so I'm gonna return it to her. And then this is a red shirt, and if you're Chinese, you need a red shirt, and this is my go-to red shirt for birthday parties. Guys, am I sweaty? I think I thrifted this, but I've never worn it. I have another striped shirt. It's a bit different from the Uniqlo one because it buttons all the way down, and the Uniqlo one's only until here. I do like this. I just got it. It's from Pen Shop. Guys, this is embarrassing. I didn't know that my bra was there. But okay, that's fine. It's fine. Okay, moving on to here. Guys, thanks for doing this with me because I've been putting this off for such a long time, and just having it on video is pretty motivating and awesome. I'm gonna keep this pink gilded crop shirt. Also this shirt. This is from Team Manila. This is from Zara. This used to be my favorite shirt, but I don't know. I'm not gonna keep it anymore. Like, I've had my time with it. Oh, guys. This is one of my class shirts in high school. I have to keep this, right? It's a class shirt. Every college student has to have this jacket that you're gonna wear in the library or in class. I'm feeling nostalgic because this is a jacket that I wore during my 4th year high school retreat, and there's just so much memories there. I just want this to be my jacket for life, you know? I want it to go through things with me. Okay, I'm really sentimental, but I love that jacket. More pajamas. My pajamas, even this one I'm wearing, it's from Uniqlo. This one is too small for me. Like, I was in denial for a really long time, but this is too small for me. But it's so cute. I love this shirt. This is honestly still one of my favorite tops. It is this denim top. It's from Nava. I also really like this top. It just has polka dots. It reminds me of Ami's song. She's one of my faves. I like it. This is like a super duper old shirt. Oh my gosh. Maybe 2nd year college. I went to Brandy Melville. Like, that was the year when Brandy Melville was super popping, and I went to LA and I was like, I need to buy something from Brandy, and this was one of it. It's a shirt. It's super soft, but it's just really bad. So I'm gonna throw this. I'm not even gonna sell it because it's really bad. But I forgot this existed. It's a top. It's super cute, but I cropped it too short. So if anyone's like, you know, willing to wear their midriff, I'm gonna sell it. Because I'm not willing. Ooh, this is my PE t-shirt. This is my block shirt in college. A Pantone shirt. I got a lot of questions where I got this. I got this secondhand, so I can't really answer it. I got it from this random guy selling it on Ateneo Trade. I really like the shirt because this guy that I used to have a crush on was like, I was wearing the shirt and shorts, and he was like, your outfit looks like, it looks so Nadine. And I was like, thanks, so I'm keeping you. It's clean! Oh my gosh, y'all can see how clean it is, but if you see how dirty my floor is, it's a different story. Let's move down. Iconic Puma shirt. This shirt I'm not gonna keep. This shirt's too small for me. It's a mock neck from Zara. I love the color, but yeah, fits bad. This one has a lot of holes in it. I feel like I've already outgrown this, so I'm gonna sell it. I'm so tired already, guys. I don't understand. I'm just gonna go through this just so that things are a bit quicker. So yeah, let's fix this. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now, the first drawer. Okay, I filled it up, obviously. It looks like I didn't do anything, but these are all my shirts, all the t-shirts. I told you I had a lot of t-shirts, don't judge. Okay, this pile is going to be shirts that look like sleeveless tanks, non-t-shirts. This is actually a t-shirt. I'm gonna have to stuff it somewhere See, I'm not organized even when I'm trying to organize. So I'm gonna fix this area up. I love this shirt, but it's too small for me. It's a velvet off-the-shoulder crop. This one is a, this was really popular in like 2014. I'm not confident to rock this, okay? It's a bodysuit from Forever 21. This is like a dressy top. I'm like saving it for like if someone wants to go on a date with me. You guys are kind of slanted, I apologize, but as I'm cleaning out my little drawer, my pajama drawer, I just want to show you guys a couple of shirts, a couple of like memories, because I am letting go of these things, and yeah, I just want to remember them. This has been with me for such a long time, since I was literally like 8 or 10. I don't know, I was a literal child. The SpongeBob pajamas, and they have buttons on them because they are for boys. This is a shirt from when I was back in Ateneo, and there's this contest for you to have a food stall in school, and I joined with a bunch of my friends, and it's called Patikim. We sold burgers, and there's like a lot of, I have 2 of them, and there are a lot of oil stains in them, and for that one whole week I was really smelly and gross, but it was really fulfilling just cooking and trying to sell something, and just being a part of that. And I mean, we didn't get in, but it's still like pretty good memories. Like, we worked super hard on that. But okay, so far guys, we are done with this whole area. I am done fixing the other side. Now we're going to this side of my closet. I'm wearing pajamas. Here I have most of my jackets, long sleeve stuff, and also a bunch of junk down there, which we're gonna get into. Okay, let's get started. This is a jacket that I just got. It's from Pen Shop, and I love the color. Polo section, orange. White jacket, polo section. A red jacket, polo section. This is a really cool polo that's super long. I thrifted this. This is a blazer that is kind of too small on me. I really like the fabric, but it's just not, it's too small. Like, it's not powered on me. My favorite pastel, this is my favorite thrifted. Really cool jacket. I really like it. It makes me feel like I'm a poet. I think I'm gonna put this in my abroad because I don't really wear this here now. Another denim jacket. For abroad, I got this from 168, which is kind of random, but it's pretty cool. I don't know, maybe I won't keep this. I don't know, I just want everything to be things I like. This is my favorite denim jacket. I love this denim jacket so much. It's my favorite because I thrifted it, and it's an All Saints jacket. It's really good quality. Like, I'm pretty sure this is real. Yeah, I'm super proud of this. Love it. Actually, I don't really like this much anymore. Now for like the bottom things, I have this crop top. This is from PR. Not my style. I love the Pen Shop, but it's just not my style. Classic, a Donald Duck hat, of course. I have another one of those jackets that I was telling you about that every college student probably has. This one's from Uniqlo. I went to the Katy Perry concert before. This was expensive, honey. I'm gonna like keep it or give it to my mom. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. One Direction. Oh my god. Harry can't even be seen, honey. Okay. I'm keeping this though. I have a YouTube hat. Got this last year. But yeah, okay. I'm gonna like clean this up, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a bit. I am so tired. I feel like, we really cleaned out my closet. And the next step is to sort them, go through them, see the things that can be sellable, and then see things that are donatable, meaning things that are like comfortable for people to wear. And another option is to give like a bag of my clothing, like really ugly clothing, I guess, to H&M. And you do get a voucher for like bringing in your own clothes. Also, I think Uniqlo does that, so I think I'm gonna do that. I don't know how long this process is gonna take me, but it's gonna happen, and I will just update you guys when I do. I hope this video inspires you to go through your closet and take out the things that you don't really use anymore and try it and give them a new life. We're all about shopping secondhand, and I'm really trying to not be into fast fashion, but it's kind of hard. But I guess just supporting brands that are trying to make a difference, it's very hard. So I'm not gonna claim that I'm like a sustainable shopper as well, because obviously you saw my closet, and I still have a lot of things inside of there, and I still feel really overwhelmed. But I'm just not the type. I just don't think it makes sense to me to just throw away a lot of my old clothes. I don't know, so I'm just gonna give myself another 6 months to kind of rotate through these clothes, and things that I really don't reach out for, things that I really don't like to wear, I'm gonna chuck it away again. So this is a process, it's not an overnight thing. I just would like to kind of final notes is that I'm really grateful that I do have all of these items, and I assure you that every single thing in the closet, every single thing that I did kind of let go did have a purpose for me when back in the day, and I did really wear each of them and not just once, you know what I mean? And it's also an eye-opener for me to just shop smart and really go for classic pieces, timeless pieces that I won't just, throw away, because it's really sad. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next one. This super sweaty video was from my heart to yours, and I'm really thankful that you stick through this video if you did. So yeah, bye!